The YouTube video that is titled The Blueprint to $10,000 a Month as a Beginner 2024, which was produced by the YouTube channel Iman Gadzhi, is 1 hour, 1 minute, and 50 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. The video begins by advising beginners to avoid common pitfalls, such as starting a business requiring significant financial investment. Also, investing in marketing or stocks without proper knowledge and testing products without understanding the market. These mistakes can lead to financial loss and business failure. Iman shares his personal experiences with YouTube, emphasizing that building a substantial subscriber base and generating significant income takes time and effort. Please remember that much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. He advises against relying solely on YouTube for income, especially for beginners. Iman highlights the current digital renaissance. He suggests that even individuals with no work experience can earn as much as CEOs by leveraging online opportunities. If you see a topic you like, seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic how to make money fast videos that just recycle the obvious suspects. He also stresses the importance of transparency and legal methods in pursuing these opportunities. He discusses numerous factors to consider when evaluating online business opportunities. These include profit margins, fulfillment, deal type, transaction value, upfront investment, and recurrence. Here, Iman covers, not for the first time on his channel, the challenges and costs associated with dropshipping and affiliate marketing. He points out the significant upfront work and investment required in marketing and the difficulty in achieving consistent sales. Here, Iman Gadzhi chats about the concept of Airbnb arbitrage as a potential online opportunity. However, Iman warns of the risks involved, such as obtaining licenses, agreements with landlords, and the need for upfront investment. Now he suggests info products like ebooks, audiobooks, and online courses as a viable online business model. Please feel free to tell me the YouTube gurus that you like, but you wish would just get to the point and not stretch out their explanations to garner credibility and attract more ad revenue. Let me know in the comments below. Iman highlights the control over pricing, but also the time-consuming nature of product delivery. He says that this is a lucrative model where services are sold and then outsourced to others for fulfillment. This model is presented as a beginner-friendly option with high profit margins and minimal upfront investment. Now he discusses the accelerated digitalization of businesses and the increasing importance of online advertising. He suggests that every business now understands the need to sell online and is willing to invest in it. Here, he talks about the importance of selecting a profitable niche and service. He advises focusing on niches where businesses make at least $10,000 per month and selling high-ticket items. He covers various tactics for reaching out to potential clients, which include cold calling, emailing, video audits, and social media outreach. Iman Gadzhi then emphasizes focusing on the value provided rather than the cost of fulfillment. He discusses the willingness of businesses to invest in marketing and the potential to charge high fees for services. Iman then shares insights on hiring experienced contractors from various countries for service fulfillment, maintaining transparency, and ensuring a healthy profit margin. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.